This video I'm going to show you how to manipulate images and create product design. Here is the product we want to edit and manipulate just to create a product design. Now we've gotten the image, but there is a white background, so you need to go to CapCut. You go to CapCut. Once you open your CapCut, you can then click on this part. Once you expand that part, you can click on remove background and then select the image. Once you select the image, you click on edit and then you allow it to load. It will load for a while, and that's all. So it will remove the background. Just tick this part, the one at the bottom here, click it. So once you click it, it will remove the background. Just click on export and then you have it saved. Click on done. So you have it saved as a PNG file. Now we need to gather resources. The resources we need are like the backgrounds, so we need to do that once and then one after the other. So now let's search for a nature background. I would prefer Pinterest. Let's use Pinterest. So let's look for a nature background first. So once you open Pinterest, just search for the background you need. Okay, let's say we need a nature background. So now after creating a search, you have a lot of background. Wow, this one is cool. Let's pick this. Click this three dot at the top and click on download image. Once you download the image, this is from PNG tree. There are a lot of other ones here, so you can check it out. So let's try this one too. Let's click on this, download image. Okay, now after downloading that, I will need something like a cloud. I'll use Chrome for this. Click on Chrome, make your search. Okay, you can just input cloud PNG image. So in this video you are going to learn everything about gathering resources, making your design from scratch. So I'll pick the one that I would like to use. Okay, let me use PNG tree. Okay, visit. Okay, this one is just an advert. Allow it to load and then tick the I don't want parts and then look for the cloud that is okay for you. Now you can download the PNG file. It will allow you to download one per day, so I'm still using the free version here. So once you click on download, you wait for some seconds, it will download your file. So you see it's now downloading. It's already downloaded. Now I need something like grass. Let me download grass also in case I need it. Grass PNG free. So let's find one that is okay here. Okay, this one should make sense. Okay, now let's visit the site to download the better quality. At the top. Okay, free download. I'm not a robot. Click that and it will allow you to download. Get download link. At the base here I click this yellow part, so it will load for a while. Click OK. So you should be able to get the download in seconds. So it's already downloading. Let's see the details. Okay, this is it already here, and it has been saved to our phone. So once you save it to your phone like that, go to Pixellab, open Pixellab, and I'll start the design one after the other. Now you clear this default text, you go to this place from gallery. Once you click from gallery, you can now pick your background. Okay, your background, let's use it in full view. Now this is the full view of the background. So now you import the image of your Coca-Cola that we've already saved. No, it's not this one, the one we edit the background, that we remove the background in CapCut. So now I'll place it here I'll place it here. Can you see? So we still need a lot of editing here. Now this is what I'll do. I'll bring in my cloud and then manipulate it a bit. Can you see? Copy it again, place it somewhere here, reduce the size, place it here, copy it again, so now this one is covering the leaves. I'll go to this part and click on eraser. So I'll need to erase a little part, increase this part to this one. Once you increase that, it will make it transparent and it will look okay. So once you rub off that place, you can now activate, and then you will reduce the opacity of your, can you see, something like this. What we need to do is now to manipulate this our background. So now I'm going to bring in the background again, the same background. So now you see, if we click on this relative size, we can increase it to 100, and when you adjust it, you align it, it will cover the stuff. Now we are going to erase some parts and then it will leave what we want there. So you go to eraser, increase this part, clear up these ones, clear it off, clear it off, clear it off. So we want to manipulate the background a bit. So when you get to the extreme, you need to increase this part. Once you increase this one, it will make it transparent and somehow realistic. Can you see? So you use it for all this part that is closer to the ground. You can reverse your action if you make mistakes, so it is something you should do bit by bit. If you're having issue, you can zoom in to see what you are doing, zoom in and adjust it. So okay, so that's all now, but here is it. Can you see? You need to place it where it should be. Then you can drag your Coca-Cola, let's put it where it should be first, adjust it, relative position, middle and below. Can you see? So you go into lock it down and then click on your Coca-Cola, lock other elements and make your Coca-Cola come down a bit. So can you see it? As if it's coming from the ground. Now I want to add some other effects to it, but I did not have it. So you can go to Chrome again. Let's go to Chrome. Okay, I'll search some, let's say parachute, just to make it look realistic. Parachute, PNG, parachute, PNG, parachute, PNG. So PNG of a parachute. Okay, let's pick one that is okay here, one that is okay. All right, I'm looking for one that is okay. I trust PNG. Let me pick this one. I will still see extra ones that I can download if I don't want this one. So here is it. Here is it. So it doesn't mean someone is hanging onto it. We'll know how to manipulate and edit it. Click on it and then we click on download. Click download. Once you click download, and just click on I am woman, it will bring one like something to do. So just click on W, the one that are giving you at the top, just to pass the test, and then download what you want to download. So it will download my file now. Can you see download? It has already downloaded. So I'll exit Chrome and then off my data again. Then I'll open it. Now I need to import the object I download. This is it. I don't need everything, so I'll crop away the part that I did not need, like this one. Let me use the red. So now I want to put it here and then adjust as if it is the sky that is bringing it is the nature that is here, that is attached to the sort of stuff. So now let's use this. Okay, I want it to look realistic, so something like this. Now we need to remove the person that is hanging on it. Just go to eraser, zoom in for you to have a perfect work. So now that I zoom in, click on that zoom again and erase the part that is not necessary. Let's erase this person here. So I need to use this transparency and then erase off these parts a bit more. So now tick the box and this is what you are going to have. This is what you are going to have. So now this base, it may not look realistic a bit, so we need to adjust it. Copy the Coca-Cola, go to eraser. You need to erase most part of this too. So we need that's something cool. Can you see? So a lot of other ways, but now you need to increase the quality of your image by using this option here, the one at the last part here. So once you click that, you can adjust the brightness. Can you see the brightness? Okay, I use -29 contrast. I'll increase the contrast a bit, and then if I need more cloud, let me copy more cloud. Let me copy one of the clouds to make another fill on that. Okay, let's unlock all the clouds before we edit. Flip it. Okay, so can you see? So it's as simple as this. Then you click on save as image, save in the highest possible dimension, ultra. You save it to gallery.